So guys, I just wanted to welcome you once again, and it's so amazing कि अगर ये pandemic वाला situation नहीं होता तो we would have never thought that we could have done our alumni meet in this possible manner. And we'll try and keep you engaged every quarter, and let's do every quarter a conversation such that we are staying connected with each other. And if we can support you in any which way where you feel that you need any kind of knowledge in terms of skill upgradation or anything, see, you can come for, I am not saying that, but you really can come for free and actually take on the sessions if you want to. We'll allow you to do that for at least for a year. You can explore whatever possibilities you want to with us, because I know as young people, you need to really keep yourself abreast, with your career choices. You have to be very resilient now. A lot of you have to really think about how you're going to be working in this whole duration, while there's going to be a lot of challenges when it comes to actually people making investments in infrastructure. But yes, I also see a great opportunity, because a lot of spaces will have to be redefined as per the new guidelines of the government. So I think when it comes to space design, I think the opportunities are going to grow. And it's just, I think, a matter of 5 to 6 months, and then I think everything is just going to be normal. And we've already covered one quarter. एक quarter तो over हो गया. बस अब rather 2-3 महीने की बात और है. And I think we've और सब लोग बहुत सुंदर, fresh नजर आ रहे हो. एक चीज तो पक्की बात है. You're looking much cheerful, brighter. Everybody looks more healthy. That's one thing for sure. And everybody must be loving, because जिसको भी लग रहा था यार youngsters एक काम बहुत करना पड़ता है ना, because family को भी compromise करना पड़ता है, अपनी health को भी compromise कर. I've done all these things, so I can imagine. So I am sure that आप लोगों को time मिल रहा होगा घर पे बैठने का. Your parents must be getting the time to have the children in their family. If you have your children, तो आपको अपने बच्चों के साथ समय मिल रहा है. So I'm sure each one of you is enjoying your time in the best possible way. So definitely I would like you to share कि आप अभी क्या कर रहे हो, and what are you thinking on those lines. So हर जना अगर 2 minute share करेगा तो we'll get everybody to share, because 6:18 हो गए हैं, and then we also have a video that we want to show you. You know why? Because we did this very big international colloquium. We had 20 countries. We had more than 30 universities and colleges who came to see us from across the globe. So we've got international partnership and tie-ups with them in terms of our student exchange programs, and also for progression. So a lot of you have done your BTech courses. So you know that, the students have to complete their degree in the UK. So now, since we also have a bachelor's in design 4-year degree bhi hai, master's ki bhi hai. So a lot of you are master's ke students or kuch undergraduate ke student ho. But if you look at the video, aapko bada acha lagega that the kind of work, fashion, jewelry, interiors, products, everybody got to foundation. सब लोगों ने मिलकर के इतना अच्छा काम किया, बहुत सुंदर काम किया. इनफैक्ट आज का जो इंटरेक्शन है वो तो मैं आपके साथ, आप लोग मेरे साथ कर लीजिए, बट विल कीप वन इंटरेक्शन. जब एग्जिस्टिंग जो इंटीरियर्स के स्टूडेंट्स है, वी वुड लाइक देम टू इंटरेक्ट विथ यू, so that you can let them know more about what are career opportunities, what are the kind of real time challenges that you are facing. Because आपकी जो generation है ना, जिन्होंने अभी पास आउट किया है या पिछले साल, you are the people who are going to shape up the new future of the world, especially India ke liye, or whatever cities you are in. So your design sensibilities will really be, be really important in terms of looking at, what is this new future going to look like. So I understand कि आप लोगों ने आर्ट्स में creative enterprise को बहुत अच्छे से समझा है कि what is important, how it is important to understand entrepreneurship, right? So it's going to be very important कि आप लोग अपने entrepreneurial skills के ऊपर में और काम करो. So ताकि dependency किसी भी के ऊपर में थोड़ी कम से कम रहे. Even if you're working with an organization, try and see how entrepreneurial you can be, so that your demand stays always. क्योंकि जब तक आप as a job seeker रहोगे ना, तो वो कहेंगे भैया जॉब में अभी मेरे को आपकी जरूरत नहीं है, आप अभी तो रहने दो, आप अपना देखो. पर लेकिन अगर आप एक entrepreneurial spirit के साथ में काम करोगे ना, तो वो कहेगा yes, I need you on board, right? So that's an opportunity that I see. And now, connecting with your roots, working with your craftsmen, जो local लोग हैं, उनको employability देने के लिए कैसे नए ideas सोच सकते हो, उन areas पे सोचो आप. So I think that's where I have to come from. I'm coming from that, you know, that's an opportunity. So I'd just like to share with you a fashion colloquia का video हम आपको दिखाएंगे, and then probably we'll start with the conversation. Each one of you take 2 minutes to share your name and what you're doing and what you see as a possibility right now in the coming future, and what are your challenges presently. Yeah. Okay. So nice to have everybody now. So what should we keep the order? So let's go alphabetically चलते हैं अपन. And A से शुरू करते हैं, सारे A से शुरुआत पहले करते हैं because year wise मैं नहीं जाना चाहती. So let's keep a nice mix, right? So let's start with, so I am A here, I've already done my bit. Now go on with the A. So let's have Akshita start, Akshaya start. Okay, so we're doing it alphabetically. Yeah. So just share, which batch and what you're doing right now and what are your challenges and what are you looking forward to. So 2 minutes, right?
So yeah. Yeah, sure. So hi, I'm Akshita. I'm from 2013-16 batch interior design, and I run my own design firm with the name Akshita Goyal Design. It's been pretty 2-3 years running it. Earlier I was doing jobs, so now during this COVID, of course, it's a new phase for all of us. Like, I'm a new profession in this, so of course there are so many difficulties other than the design part. So right now I'm dealing with, like, many of my clients have decided to cancel or postpone their design projects or extend for a certain period of time due to lack of cash flow sometimes. So also labor problems that are coming up. But the positive of COVID-19 that I feel is that we can learn to develop our skill set more better now. Earlier I was just designing residences and some cafes, restaurant, but now I think I should broaden my approach and look towards to designing more bigger spaces, because I've got these 2 months, 3 months time to learn more about it, to dig deeper about what design is, how I can work on bigger projects. Also, I think we should adapt COVID into our lives, like just by merging virtual and physical environment. We should design spaces about how we can merge our physical environment with the virtual. So in our designs, we should design a room with more of virtual options that we can offer a better 3D with having more virtual options, good screen size, and all those things. Also, I felt the need that the vendors are not able to connect to me more easily. Like, we used to import furniture from China, but now because of COVID, we are not able to get enough resources. So as Modi ji says that we should go vocal for local, I've started my own brand. As I think it's not seen behind me, it's with the name Parikshit, and we are giving all localized, we are generating localized furniture. We have got 5,000 plus furniture pieces. We are just developing it because I've got it as a family business. So I'm taking it towards all the architects and designers who are facing problem for the furniture vendoring. So it inculcates all sort of furniture that is antique or that is required and can be replaced now instead of importing from somewhere else. We can develop it here in India and take it forward.
Interesting, Akshita. So if anybody wants to source furniture, please contact Akshita Goyal. So that's beautiful. How we can do a lot of collaborative work. हम एक दूसरे को support कर सकते हैं. जो आपके पास strength है, उसके लिए किसी और को काम करने की जरूरत नहीं है. So you can create that kind of ecosystem, right?
Yeah. And because being an interior designer, I know what sort of furniture we exactly need on our spaces, like a black and white console. As soon as I see it, I feel like, wow, I want this on my site. So those furniture I'm customizing and developing into my portfolio, which no one else has done it because they are not designers. We know what we want on our site. So yeah,
beautiful,
that's
Akshita. Very impressed, yeah. And you've been really entrepreneurial. You started your own studio and everything, and you've been doing some good projects. I've seen your media coverages as well. Huh?
Yeah.
So you've been understating yourself, but I've seen a lot of good media coverages that you've been sharing with us. Thank you, Akshita, for sharing.
Thank you, ma'am.
So
thanks to you.
Let's go to the other A's. Akshaya is here, or Akash is here. So shuru karte hain, chaliye.
Yes, you are audible. Yeah, I'm from batch 2016 to 2019 from interior designing. Yeah, currently I'm working at a startup firm in Jawaharnagar, Ansha Interiors. And basically I'm working there so that I can learn how to run a proper startup business and how to run a store. It is like a material store, because I am planning for my own furniture store in maybe 2 to 3 years of span. And in this COVID-19 time, I am able to learn, like I have designed a furniture piece of like my own design. Now I'm focusing to learn from local artisans and local craftsmen, so that I can gain the knowledge of like the material things and how they create their own furniture pieces, and all the problems they face during the building of that furniture, and all the minor detailing which we tend to forget as a designer, but we have to learn as a craftsman, so that I can able to learn that. And in future, after that 2 to 3 years, when I am able to open my own, so that I can use that as my positive point.
When did you pass out, Dia?
Ma'am, just last year, 2019.
Okay, so what are you doing right now? Sorry, I missed out because I was locked out here.
Okay, no, it's okay. I am currently working at a startup firm in Jawaharnagar, Anshi Interiors.
Right.
Yeah.
Very good. Congratulations. So keep learning.
Thank you.
Thank you. So we have now Anjali. Let's have Anjali to talk. आशीष आप बात कर सकते हो अगर अंजलि रेडी नहीं है तो. We have got Akshaya also, so Akshaya can start. So guys, be ready, huh? एक के बाद एक.
Hello.
Akshaya बोलो.
Hi ma'am, how are you? And it was great to see Arch's video and everything, and our juniors performing so well. I feel so proud about like being from Arch now, and it's really a proudful moment कि अपना college इतना आगे जा रहा है. And it's always great to see my juniors, my like colleagues doing so well around in the industry. And I passed out from Arch in the year 2014. And it was a long journey for me too. I started with working under Mr. Sanjay Kothari in Jaipur, and then I was working in Ahmedabad for quite some time, and then I started off my own Kiva Studio brand, and now I'm doing like a good amount of projects in Delhi and NCR with my own office setup over here. And during this period also, like we have been designing and contacting all the clients so that we keep in touch and we don't lose the contacts with the clients. And today was my first day I went to site after the shutdown, and I think that yes, we'll be able to revive and everything after the shutdown. What happened during all these times, like we decided at what we have to do at site. All the drawings were ready, the 3Ds were ready, so that as soon as we open up, we can start the work at site. So we did not waste time. I developed my website, my Facebook account, my everything related to my studio, so that the time doesn't go waste. So that is it.
Lovely, Akshaya. I think you've been very looking forward to getting back to normal. So I think preparing and lovely. Thank you so much. And I've seen a couple of your projects which you've been sharing off and on, and we're very proud of your work.
Thank you so much, man.
Thank you. Lo, Mangwani ji, bolo.
Hello everyone. Am I audible?
Yeah.
I'll start with कि जो अभी ये लॉकडाउन था इस टाइम में मतलब हमारे नीमच में अभी लॉकडाउन ओपन हो चुका है. मतलब मैं भी आज कोइंसिडेंट अक्षय जैसा कि मैं भी आज फर्स्ट टाइम मेरी साइट पे गया था आफ्टर लॉकडाउन. और इस बीच में मैम मतलब हम सिर्फ अपने वर्क पे तो ध्यान दे ही रहते हैं एंड काफी ज्यादा टाइम मिला अपनी फैमिली के साथ में, तो वो थोड़ा सा ज्यादा अच्छा लगा क्योंकि बिकॉज रूटीन लाइफ में फैमिली को टाइम नहीं दे पा रहे थे. तो इस टाइम पे जो फैमिली को टाइम दिया वो बहुत ज्यादा अच्छा था. एंड इसके अलावा मैम अभी रिसेंट में मैं नीमच में अपनी खुद की फर्म लगभग 5 साल से चला रहा हूँ एंड इट्स कॉल्ड AM डिजाइनर्स. जब मैं नीमच आया था तब स्ट्रगल बहुत करना पड़ा था बिकॉज उस टाइम पे यहाँ पे कोई समझता नहीं था कि इंटीरियर डिजाइनिंग होता क्या है. सो उस टाइम पे बहुत स्ट्रगल था बट अब लोग समझते हैं कि व्हाट इज इंटीरियर डिजाइनिंग. तो ये काफी अच्छी जर्नी रही और इसमें कॉलेज की काफी सारी लर्निंग्स काम आई टाइम बाय टाइम। एंड बहुत सारी चीजें जो हमने मैं जब रोटरैक्ट क्लब में था तो उसमें से जो बहुत सारी चीजें जो सीखी उस टाइम पे कि लोगों से कैसे बात करें, लोगों को कैसे कन्विंस करें, क्योंकि उस टाइम हमको ध्यान है आपने हमको एक टास्क दिया था फंड रेज करने का। तो उस टाइम हमने बहुत कि लोगों को कन्विंस कैसे करना है कि नहीं इस चीज के लिए आपको फंड रेज करना है। तो वो चीजें है ना अभी जाके बहुत हेल्पफुल हो रही हैं। तो
तुम्हें पता है ज्वेलरी में रिद्धि तुम्हारे बैच की थी ना?
हाँ हमारे
रिद्धि ऑल्सो सेड द सेम थिंग, बोला मैम आपने जो 10 रुपी एक्टिविटी करवाई थी उसकी वजह से आज मेरा इतना कॉन्फिडेंस है, मैं कहीं पे भी जाके बात कर लेती हूँ. So I think I need to do that activity again now with you, with the new batches, which I stopped doing. And so that's really nice to hear this. And I think I need to record this version of yours. Because generally क्या होता है, एक बार एक नेक्स्ट बैच के साथ में मैंने कराया तो एक लड़की तो पहले दिन छोड़ के चली गई. That was too tough.
नहीं मैम वो काफी अच्छा एक्सपीरियंस था वो.
Is Apurva and Swati not here? Apurva and Swati, वो लोगों ने ज्वाइन किया कि नहीं किया? Okay, so was Apurva junior to you or senior to you, Ashish?
Senior ma'am, senior.
Oh, he was senior to you. I'm really happy, and your brother is doing so well. So Ashish ने अपने छोटे भाई का एडमिशन भी आर्ट्स में करवाया.
Yes,
I am really happy. I keep hearing from Manan कि Nikhil is also doing great work in Jaipur and photography में, और में बहुत अच्छा काम करने लग रहा है Nikhil.
Yeah.
Very good, nice. Thank you to hear this. And तुम्हें क्या लगता है everything is going to be back to normal now?
मैम थोड़ा टाइम लगेगा, मे बी इट विल टेक 3 to 4 months, बट ठीक है हो जाएगा टाइमली नॉर्मल. बट इसमें मैम एक छोटा सा एक मैसेज देना चाहूंगा जो भी एंटरप्रेन्योर हैं, जो भी बेसिकली इंटीरियर डिजाइनिंग से जुड़े हुए जने हैं, प्लीज जो उनका कॉलीग्स हैं या जो उनके अंडर में कोई वर्क कर रहा है तो उनको इस टाइम पे सपोर्ट की बहुत जरूरत है. मे बी हो सकता है कि वो आपके अंडर में करने वाला कारपेंटर हो या XYZ कोई भी हो, तो प्लीज सपोर्ट देम, क्योंकि हो सकता है कि हम फाइनेंशियली स्ट्रांग हो तो हमको कोई इतना इफेक्ट नहीं हो, उनको हो सकता है, बिकॉज दे नीड सपोर्ट.
Right, that's a good thing. Yeah, thank you, Ashish.
Okay.
Let's have somebody else now. अरविंद आप बोलना चाहेंगे? अरविंद, अंजलि, अंकिता, गिडियन.
Yes ma'am. Hi ma'am. Good evening.
Yeah, hi. कैसे हो आप अरविंद?
बहुत बढ़िया मैम. मैं 2015 बैच का पास आउट हूँ मैम. और करंटली मेरा नाम अरविंद सोनी है. मैं इंदौर का रहने वाला हूँ मैम. और अभी मैं वाजिद आर्ट प्राइवेट लिमिटेड के साथ सीनियर डिजाइनर के डिजिग्नेशन पे काम कर रहा हूँ मैम. वाजिद साहब एक इंटरनेशनल आर्टिस्ट है मैम. ये वर्ल्ड के इकलौते नेल आर्टिस्ट हैं, कीलो से पेंटिंग बनाते हैं. इनके साथ मैंने सन 2017 में एक गिनीज वर्ल्ड रिकॉर्ड भी बनाया सर के साथ, और तैयारी करके बैठा था मैम. अच्छा मैम, अच्छी बात ये है कि मेरी वाइफ भी आर्टिस्ट है. मैं तो आर्टिस्ट लिखता नहीं हूँ, मेरी वाइफ आर्टिस्ट है, वो भी आर्टिस्ट लिखती है. उसके नाम पे 14 वर्ल्ड रिकॉर्ड्स है मैम.
क्या बात कर रहे हो?
यस मैम. और अभी उनकी टीम ने मिलके वर्ल्ड का सबसे लार्जेस्ट मोजाइक आर्ट बनाया, 25 फीट बाय 64 फीट का. मैम ये है वाजिद खान साहब.
हाँ.
ही इज ऑन विकिपीडिया, और ये दुबई के लिए काम करते हैं. दुबई से है तो बेसिकली नीमच के पास के कहीं के, इंदौर शिफ्ट हो चुके हैं. मैम ये मेरा पहला वर्ल्ड रिकॉर्ड था. मैम पीछे से भैया बहुत चिल्ला रहा है. मैम बेबी हो गया मेरा एक 3 साल का.
अच्छा, नाइस, बधाई हो. मतलब कई, आई एम सो हैप्पी, कितने सारे जोड़े आर्ट्स में बन चुके हैं, उनके बच्चे भी हो गए हैं. अरे रितिका नहीं आई क्या? हेलो
मैम, ये दिव्या है.
नाइस, हाय दिव्या.
हेलो, हाय.
मैम इनने वुमेन एम्पावरमेंट के ऊपर 30 लड़कियों ने मिलकर वर्ल्ड का लार्जेस्ट मोजाइक आर्ट बनाया मैम.
अच्छा, नाइस.
यस मैम, 10 महीने लगे उसमें.
ओह लवली. एंड थैंक यू अरविंद फॉर शेयरिंग दिस. आप अपने हमको इमेजेस और अपना काम है ना, जिनके आई वुड लाइक रिक्वेस्ट ऑल द alumni, please send us your Insta account if you have your work, please share with us. we would definitely like to promote you on different forums, because हमारे लिए क्या है, हमारे लिए तो आप ही हमारी धरोहर हो. हमने जो हमारा investment जो है वो तो आप में दिखता है, right? So lovely to know this. Thank you, Arvind.
Thank you, ma'am.
Right. Hello, everyone. It's beautiful to meet you guys again. It's lovely. I'm so nostalgic right now. So I started as a furniture back in Jaipur. So I was working on the Wooden Street, and then I shifted to Kolkata, and I started working as an interior stylist. So I just discovered that this is something we don't tap on really much. Like interior designing is great, but there's also a substring to interior styling, and it's beautiful. You can grow a lot. I grow a lot over here, and then eventually, you work with a lot of these artifacts and basically the styling part of it. And then gradually I got interested with my own firm, and I started 2 years back with Wooden Street. It's a furniture designing workshop, and we work with a lot of these wooden structures, and mostly there's without no nails furnitures, with all of these ancient old school joineries, and actually experimenting a lot with wood, I would say. Maybe like oxidizing it with ammonium or bending it under a lot of steam, and the wood actually bends. So we do a lot of this experiments with wood and pushing the limits on how we can use wood and do a lot of things and be economical at the same time. So we have been working with a lot of artisans from Jaipur. They are based in Bangalore right now. My workshop is in Bangalore, and we have been doing great. We are working a lot of clients and all. So it's great. It's great right now. So that's it.
Wow, wonderful. So you are into interior styling, and it looks like, you styled your background really well to have a nice frame. I love that. Huh? So your color combination is just going perfectly with your skin tone and your clothes that you're wearing, and I really like it.
Thank
fantastic.
You.
And with digital presence, with digital, screen presence getting so high, it's going to be very important to have people on backdrops which
right.
give them the right kind of, look
understand and the balance.
Yeah. Presently, I think a lot of people are not thinking on those lines. I think this could also become a great opportunity in terms of business. Yeah.
Great. It's a great stream right now.
Thank you, Diptashri. That was really interesting.
Hello, ma'am. Thank you.
हाँ जी बोलो बेटा. Daksh Rathi बोलो, and उसके बाद में we've got Hardik, we've got Ijia.
We have Deepika Deborita Paul. So from the
हाँ दीपिका है ना. अभी दीपिका का नाम क्यों नहीं दिख रहा था D में? Maybe उसका थोड़ी देर के लिए छूट गया था क्या call? So hi Deepika, you can share, and then Diptashri is also Deborati. Oh, she's also there.
Yeah.
Oh, Deborati. So go on, Deepika, आप बोलिए और Deborati बोल देगी फिर.
Hello, ma'am. Right now, I am in Bangalore. I just got married, so I just shifted to Bangalore, and right now I didn't join anywhere, but I'm still helping my brother. He has a firm, construction firm, so I'm still helping him with a lot of designs. But as soon as this COVID gets done, I'm gonna apply for jobs here. I haven't really thought of starting on my own because I really need to have a lot of friends here so that I can team up with them, and then probably all of us can together make it work well. Also during this COVID, we faced a lot of problem with the workers. हमारे जो staff थे, carpenter भैया है, painter भैया है, they were stuck. They couldn't go home. They couldn't stay here. It got very messy. So we're just waiting for COVID-19 to go off from our lives so that we can get back to normal.
So which year did you finish your course here?
Ma'am, I'm from the 2017 batch. I was there for some time with Arch, and I really enjoyed my stay over there. And due to some personal reasons, I had to come back. But then I didn't leave interior. I'm an architect by profession, and interior was my passion. So I worked under Bindu Chakrabarti. She's well known in South, in Chennai. She's really well known. So I worked with her for a year, and whatever I missed at Arch, I think I recovered over here. Because due to
nice.
I couldn't come back, but Jaipur is always going to be like, in my heart. I'll still try to come sometime soon, and I'll meet you also, ma'am.
Thank you so much, and congratulations for your, you've just gotten married and you moved on.
Yes.
Thank you.
Thank you so much, ma'am. It was lovely meeting all of you.
Deepika, hi Deepika.
Hi, ma'am. How are you?
Bas, all good, great guy. Batao.
Ma'am, just passed out 2011 batch, and I'm just after marriage pass होती थी, और उसके बाद I'm just started my work on और residential project, commercial project I'm starting right now, doing well. अच्छे से चल रहा है सब कुछ, बट कोविड ने सब कुछ अभी बंद कर रखा है, सारी साइट्स बंद है और सब लेबर्स आ नहीं रही है, कुछ साइट्स ओपन हो गई है बट वहाँ लेबर्स नहीं पहुंच रही है, ये प्रॉब्लम्स हम लोग सब फेस कर रहे हैं, सारे इंटीरियर्स आर्किटेक्ट्स एवरीवन फेसिंग दिस प्रॉब्लम्स।
तो आपने अभी तक कितने प्रोजेक्ट्स कर लिए दीपिका?
मैम ऑलमोस्ट आई हैव डन 50 प्रोजेक्ट्स इन जयपुर, एंड yeah, and I'm doing exhibitions also, furnitures exhibitions and stall designing and exhibitions. I got 3 award, international award also in exhibition, best stall designer.
Very good, very good, very good. क्या बात है, क्या बात है. Congratulations.
Thank you. Yeah, ma'am, in IITF New Delhi, it's a India International Trade Fair. I got award in this competition.
बहुत बढ़िया, बहुत बढ़िया. Nice.
Hi, ma'am.
Hi, beta. How are you now? You just passed out last year. बताओ क्या चल रहा है?
Yeah. I just passed out last year only, and everything is going good, ma'am. Though I belong to countryside, it's small town, Kareli. So people from and workers and artisans from city are coming back, as we can see.
Okay.
So I have talked to many workers and many people who have already come back here. So what they are saying that there is very low chance of going back to cities. What they have shared with me.
Okay.
So what I just wanted to say that what if the people who are living in the countrysides, especially the designers who are living in the countrysides in small hometowns from where those workers are also connected, so we both can just collaborate and work for the development of the rural areas.
Lovely, excellent, my dear, excellent idea. So आप कौन सी जगह से हो इशा? आप कौन सी जगह से हो?
मैम करेली, मध्य प्रदेश.
बरेली से हो आप? ओके.
करेली
ये कहाँ पर है करेली?
मैम इट्स नियर जबलपुर, मध्य प्रदेश.
तो आप कह रहे हो जो लेबरर्स है वो वापस लौट के नहीं जाना चाहते हैं, तो कमाएंगे खाएंगे कैसे? वो आप जैसे डिजाइनर्स को उनके साथ मिलके काम करना पड़ेगा, नहीं तो कैसे खाएंगे कमाएंगे इतना सा?
मैम दैट ओनली, उनका यहाँ पर एग्रीकल्चर का काम भी है, और साथ में अगर वो जिस शहर से आ रहे हैं वहां पर जो काम करते हैं, या फिर जो आर्टिस्ट वगैरह है वो वहां पर जो काम करते हैं, वो अपना सारा एक्सपीरियंस लेकर यहाँ पर आए हैं. तो
क्या बात है, क्या बात है.
What we can do is we just can collaborate and do something for our rural area. That only I just wanted.
बहुत अच्छी, मतलब कहने का मतलब जाके उनको रहना पड़े, उनकी इम्पोर्टेंस हो, उनको ले जाया जाए, 15 दिन जाओ, काम करके आ जाओ और वापस अपने घर आके रह जाओ, rather than being stationary in these big cities. That's a good idea. Very good. Okay, let's have somebody else share. बहुत अच्छा बताया आपने जी. I think अगर designers if they plan to stay in the rural areas, nothing like it, and if they can look at creating new opportunities and for the community.
Yes, ma'am, that only. And it just felt amazing by seeing the video that was played. Everything was coming into our mind, you know, that college का पूरा image, how we worked, हमने कैसे काम किया है मिलकर. It was great, amazing.
Thank you dear, thank you so much. In fact, you know, मैं थोड़ा सा वीडियो में भी एडिटिंग करा रही हूँ, वो काफी सारे स्पेसेस तो दिख ही नहीं रहे हैं जो अभी हमने नए डिजाइन किया जिसमें चांदनी ने सारा काम किया है. आप लोग देखोगे तो आपको मजा आ जाता कितना अच्छा काम करा है इसने. And let's have others speak up now. Yeah,
sure. Okay.
Yeah, so I can do it now. So
bolo Chandni, jaldi bolo फटाफट.
Yeah. So hi everybody, I'm Chandni Sharma and I'm passed out in year 2009 and my company name is Srijan Interiors. So as per my last achievement, I got an opportunity to work with Archana ma'am on the renovation of Arch College of Design. And it was wonderful, and as such, we completed the project after a month. We had a huge lockdown. So, of course, there were 4 or 5 projects which were running just before the lockdown. We had started working on them for a month. And during the lockdown, I believed कि अभी दिवाली तक तो काम नहीं चलेगा और सब कुछ बंद हो जाएगा. And of course, I was really worried that how will we move forward. And I was strategizing and planning and involving myself in a lot of networking. I had also started some online yoga classes. But to my surprise, एक हफ्ते पहले लेटर इशू हुआ गवर्नमेंट का कि sites can open, shops can open in a very constrained time and environment. And out of 5, 3 of my sites had already started working on a very desperate manner. So clients are like कि हमें तो 1 महीने में किसी भी हालत पे काम complete कराना है. I was having some old leads just before the lockdown started. जो leads थे उनमें से 2-3 लोगों ने मुझसे follow up कर लिया कि can you just come and visit our site, we want to get started. One of my sites जो चालू नहीं seen many negative impact just before the lockdown opened up. मेरे को लग रहा था कि चीजें थोड़ी unstable हो जाएगी, but now when I'm evaluating the whole scenario, people are getting all their necessities fulfilled. Getting design is a necessity in a country like India जहाँ सबको अपना घर, अपना दफ्तर, अपनी space चाहिए होती है. The only good side which I could see of it is कि people will spend but they'll stop wasting the money. जैसे पहले क्या होता था, onyx है, पूरी दीवार पे onyx लग गया. Now people will be more sustainable and they'll go more towards green and minimalistic design. Unnecessary जो expenditure है वो खत्म हो जाए. I would see this as a very good opportunity for us designers where we can revive ourselves. हम जो पूरा दिल्ली का market explore कर रहे थे और चाइना, इटली को ज़्यादा तवज्जो दे रहे थे, I think we need to now look the ground root of ours, the traditional India, the India जहाँ चीजें जरूरत के हिसाब से होती थी, ना कि मतलब just beauty के लिए. So I think that is my take on the lockdown. And for coming trend, luxury will remain, unnecessary expenditure will go out of the league. So yeah, I see it as an opportunity.
Very well said, and I'm so happy that you're working with a lot of traditional crafts, and you know you brought them into the contemporary fold with all your experience that you work with a lot of these the architects that you work on big projects. And I think it's very important to work closely with our crafts and our craftspeople so that we can keep their livelihoods going, and they have a great USP with them. Forget about anything, livelihoods, community, बात की बात है. From the design perspective, जितना जो indigenous knowledge उनके पास में है, आप हम designers के पास में नहीं है, और हम लोगों को कहीं ना कहीं उनके ऊपर ही हम खड़े हुए हैं. So I think it's a very good thing, जैसे जो इजिया ने कहा और आपने बोल रहे हो, ये I think that's a great way to think and look at things rather than looking at fancy stuff. Yeah.
Exactly. Okay, one more thing which I would like to add, ma'am, just 1 minute. So I can see there are like 44 participants, out of which I think 38 of us are the students, alumni. So I would really like to take this as an opportunity to collaborate with all of you. So every one of us has a forte, and you know times are gone जब सब अपना individual काम करना चाह रहे थे. Now it's time to collaborate and implement our own talent. हर किसी को किसी चीज में talent है. So I might be good in something, someone else might be good in something. So I think it's very important that we collaborate and we start working together instead of establishing our own firm and one working individually. So like I am opening this as an opportunity to everybody and myself that please get in touch with me. I'll drop my contacts on the chat box. So feel free to get in touch and please WhatsApp me on my number, and I think let's work together for something bigger and better. So yeah.
क्या बात है चांदनी तो मैम की जुबान बोलने लग गई है बिल्कुल.
We have worked for like good 3 months.
Very good, very good. बहुत अच्छा बोला कि अब अकेले रहने का टाइम नहीं है. जो जिसकी स्ट्रेंथ है उसकी स्ट्रेंथ को यूज करो. अपने एक्स्ट्रा इन्वेस्टमेंट मत करो अपने आप को स्प्रेड करने में, बल्कि अपने आप को कन्वर्ज करो ताकि आप एक दूसरे की स्ट्रेंथ्स को यूज करके आगे बढ़ सको. एक्सीलेंट, बहुत बढ़िया. चलें, शफीक हैज आल्सो जॉइंड इन. आगे बढ़ते हैं. आज रात के 9 बजने वाले हैं. तुम लोगों ना चल रहे हो जैसे अभी. चलो फटाफट आगे बढ़ते हैं. ओके गाइस, कम ऑन.
Hello everyone, I am Mittal and I joined college in 2015 and passed out in 2018. Lockdown has not done much to me because I left my job in December. I've been working with Ashoka Design Studio. That's a Jaipur-based firm, and I've been learning really well there. So after coming from Jaipur in December, I joined a firm in Bhopal, but I didn't find it much good. So I was thinking of doing something of my own. So I made an Instagram page where I've been working on interior and decorative products, where and I'm thinking of ऐसी फर्म लाना चाहती हूँ where furniture people and all the craftsmen will come together. Like अगर हम लोगों ने कोई साइड बोर्ड बनाया है, so we'll be inculcating some tribal art in that. कोई भी tribal motif लाके we'll create a new design. So I've been thinking of doing working on more on decor and furniture products. And I have my page on Instagram with name Design Talk with Nishal.
Put it on the chat box. अपने chat box पे अपने बारे में, अपनी कंपनी के अपने बारे में लिखते हैं ना, 2-2 लाइनें लिख दो, so that people can have a look at it. So we also have Sunidhi here with us. I can see her right now. So Sunidhi was working with K2. She met me at the Design India Design Fair in Delhi. All of a sudden we bumped into each other. Huh?
Yeah.
That was nice, Sunidhi. And then you went to Canada, right?
Yes, ma'am. I'm in Canada right now.
Oh, nice. And you're here.
Good evening, ma'am.
Good.
Yeah. It's my morning time. I joined late. I had my internship call before this call. So I thought I would first tell there that I have to be on another call. I'll join back work later today. So on my brief, I'm 2015 pass out from interior design course, and while I was at Arch, I worked with parallelly part-time with architect Anubhav Goyal, and from Arch, I remember we were given big opportunities to handle, and they say that with great power comes great responsibility. But at Arch, I felt that with great responsibility comes great power. And so overall, I discovered a lot about my potential at Arch, because we were given lots of open opportunities like global mentoring work, handling those kind of stuff. So I feel it was a good experience. And then post Arch College, I joined K2 India. I was there for 4 years. And at K2 India, I was awarded as youngest dedicated employee. And recently, I have graduated from Humber College from User Experience Design course, and I'm finishing my internship remotely. So as such, lockdown hasn't affected me personally. I've been working remotely and full-time, and spending time with my family, and meantime I spend time in learning new skills. So it's overall good with me.
Nice, Sunidhi, good share. And Sunidhi, I was just meaning to ask you that that K2 is quite a premier luxury design firm in interiors. You know, you have contacts there. Would you be able to connect somebody with us here so that, because we have a great bunch of very bright students who passed out in these last 2-3 years, and we'll be happy to have them be placed with them.
Ma'am, I would share the information with Megha, ma'am, if that's the right option.
Yes. Okay. Thank you, Sunidhi. Thank you so much.
Worries.
And very kind of you.
Thank
See,
you,
this is also what we want, you know, if you're working with fashion students, they were working largely with corporates. With interiors, I see you as more like practitioners who have your own design firm, right? Or you working with an architect. But with, you know, I think with the latest batches, they're working with big companies, but a lot of you are actually like entrepreneurs right now, what I see. And so it's interesting that if you're working with the big companies and you can share contacts and have your younger juniors who are capable, creative, as per the need of that particular company, it's always good to make sure that, you know, you give them a way forward. Because jewelry mein Amrapali mein ek jane ne 9 saal tak एक के बाद 2, 3, 4 करते हैं, and Amrapali Jewelers, they have the largest chunk of designers who are from Arch. Yeah, so this is how it happens if the seniors, they actually you know, support the juniors in that manner. So
ma'am, before finishing, I would say with K2 India, one has to be very strong to stay there and work. It's not an easy task in that company because yes, there are lots of projects going on and the clientele is very like the cream, you know, like high-end Indian clients. Like I had Shalu Jindal, I had these GVK Biosciences CEO. So I've done Biba's kids portion, their residence in Delhi. But the whole thing about that place is that you have to stay very committed and strong, that you have to do it. And with that, you make your space in the company and then you proceed. It's not easy to stay there, to be honest.
Sunidhi, so I was told by somebody, even I'm a tough taskmaster, right? So मुझे किसी ने ये कहा, I said, you know, oh, I need to slow down for people. या लोग नहीं कर रहा अब तक को. बोलते हैं मैम उनको कोप अप करना चाहिए, आप अपना लेवल थोड़े नीचे लाओगे.
Yes, exactly.
लोगों को आपके लेवल पे आके खड़े होकर के काम करने की काबिलियत पैदा करनी पड़ेगी.
For
आप
sure,
नीचे जाओगे तो फिर आपका तो फ्यूचर वो है. And I think you are, आपको किसने कह दिया आपको ये करना है? So it's very interesting. So I know she's a very tough taskmaster.
Yes,
and,
she is. But she's a lovely person. I'm still in touch with her. I've stayed in her house for a month while K2 India was happening. So as a person, she's a very kind one, but it's not easy to work with her. But if you gradually learn it, it's not for her, it's for you. You develop lots of things. So
that's so wonderful. You know, this shows a lot of grit about you, Sunidhi, because a lot of people can't see resilience and being adaptive. Not many people have that ability. If you're creative, I think you have to keep going on with your own abilities, you know, rather than seeing ke kaun kaisa hai, you know. And I think it's high time people seeing ke kaun kaisa hai. It's about tumhe kya karna hai. That is what should be the main thing. Thank you. Right. I think you've given some great insights to people here. Oh, Abhilasha Saikia is also here right now. So, Abhilasha, join in, share.
I was in a meeting, but I did not want to miss this meeting actually. So finally, it was like traveling from one place to another in short time. How are you, Archana ma'am?
I'm good. Abhilasha, dikha tu?
Can you see me?
Can I get onto the screen where I can see the active speaker? Yeah. हाँ अभिलाषा go on. Yeah, nice. Bolo.
Yeah, so what I am working in 0 to June Design Studios. It is a retail design firm. So we are working for Amante, then D-Decor, then Reliance Brand, and Adidas, Bata, and different other retail stores. So we also had a talk with our firm and company that what should we do for what should be our next step. So they were saying that right now all brands and all companies, what they are doing is a knee-jerk solution. They are making masks, they are making sanitizers. I know that is a need of the time, but we need to develop something which is long lasting, which will be, people will be needing for a longer period of time. So that is what we are working on right now. Also, I am working in this firm since last 2 years now.
So are you in Ahmedabad?
No, I am in Delhi.
You in Delhi? Oh, lovely. Yeah. I remember after the first job that you took was in Ahmedabad.
Yeah. After that, we met in mentoring walk as well in Delhi.
Yeah. So guys, those of you who are in Delhi, I keep doing the mentoring walk. So that's a great opportunity to connect there with a lot of established women leaders. Yeah. So thank you, Abhilasha, for sharing. And I'm sure that, you should also tell us more. And if you need some more interns or people,
Yes,
people,
we keep needing interns. I have been contacting Yashpal sir and Megha ma'am as well for interns in our firm. So it's a very, very, our firm is a very, very, welcoming firm in terms of teaching. They teach. Of course, whatever skills I learned, that is in college itself. But then how to work in the industry, and what that is something new for everyone who has passed out from college. So they teach very clearly, and now I'm able to deal with clients, the vendors, the artisans, different kinds of people, and so confidently. And also, Archana, maybe many credits goes to you as well, that I had been always a shy and timid kind of person, but then because of you, I started to speaking up in every sessions, whatever happened in. Is one of the factors that they liked while interviewing me. They interviewed me for 3 times. So that is what they said, that the confidence that you have shown us each time while interviewing you, that is really appreciable, and that is one of the factors why we are selecting you in this firm.
So lovely. Thank you so much for the acknowledgement, dear. Thank you. I know a lot of people find me very tough when I am in campus, but then, they will remember me after they move out.
Exactly. Yes. True.
Thank you so much. Thank you. Yeah, let's have others share.
Yes.
मैं नाम नहीं बोलूंगी, अपने आप अपॉर्चुनिटी लो शेयर करने की.
Hi ma'am, Pooja Vijayavargya.
Hi Pooja, how are you?
I'm very good ma'am, how are you?
Bas, all nice. Balo.
Ma'am, from 2008 batch. And I actually, after completing interior designing from Arch, I went on to do my post-graduation from in industrial designing from MIT. And after that, I did production designing in some Bollywood movies in the film industry. I designed a couple of sets for Rohit Shetty Productions. And I have worked in movies like Dilwale and Golmaal and a few others. Yeah, and after that, ma'am, last year I came back to Jaipur and I have established my own design house here in Jaipur itself. And we're dealing with space designing and customized furniture design. And we mostly focus on multi-purpose minimal furniture, because like the bigger homes and bigger spaces are not there anymore. The houses have the spaces are now little we need a lot of adjustment in the spaces. So that's what we focus on. And recently the firm also got awarded on the Women's Day. The firm got awarded for being the best design solution firm in Jaipur. And we have some projects going on. Like the whole site work is still not started for me, because I had some office projects, I had some retail projects, and I also had some hotel and restaurant projects which have to be now redesigned. Everything will have to be redesigned.
So guys, now you know what we'll have to do is, are you guys, everybody on Insta, the Insta page of Arch, are you following the Insta page Arch_college? सब लोग yes or no लिखो पहले तो chat box में. Follow कर रहे हो नहीं कर रहे हो? एक तो नंबर 1 ये, दूसरा फेसबुक पे, यूट्यूब पे हम लोग हर वीक में 3 वीडियोस डाल रहे हैं, 2 से 3 वीडियोस, आप वो वीडियोस देखो, यू विल बी इंस्पायर्ड. सो वी हैव वन हैशटैग which is known as design story, hashtag design story as a YouTube video, and one is hashtag fashion Friday. So that is for content related to fashion, and this is content related to design. So all of you should see this, you know, and we realize कि कई बार हमें लगता है कि we have an alumni base of 7,000 people, पर हमारे ना तो इंस्टा पे 7,000 लोग हैं, ना हमारे उस पे, तो we at times we wonder, you know, कि कहाँ हैं हमारे बच्चे. So, you know, so I'm going to ask each one of you, those of you who see that your classmates are not on the alumni, on the WhatsApp group of the alumni group, please connect all of them so that, you know, we can really have a good connect and we can support you wherever it's required. So if you want a refresher course, we'll be happy to give you a refresher course. We'll connect you with our faculty. We will make sure that, yes, but you have all the industry experience. But definitely there are a lot of new things that you would like to explore on campus. We are happy to have you, allow you to come and use the facilities there as well. Because we've got the plotters, we've got the 3D printers, laser cutters, ये सारी चीजें और है जो काफी सारी चीजें which are going to be a lot of interesting things that young people can again use it, right? So I'm really looking at, there are a lot of people who have still to talk, right? How many of you haven't spoken yet? I would like Ronak बोल सकते हैं, शुभम है, ऋतिक खंडेलवाल है, रिद्धिमा आंचलिया है, राहुल, प्रवीण, ठीक है? तो अब अपन फटाफट करते हैं. मेरा एक इंटरनेशनल कॉल है अभी, वाइटल वॉइसेस का, यूएस का. सो मेरे को आई थिंक विद इन नेक्स्ट 5 to 7 minutes निकलना पड़ेगा, तो थोड़ा जल्दी अपन शेयर करते हैं. And then we'll have Megha take through you through the call. Yeah, go on, guys.
Can I speak, ma'am?
Yeah, beta बोलो. हाँ. Yes.
Basically, hi everyone. My name is Rohit Kumar Sen, and I'm passing from 2017 batch. Basically, ma'am, मैं एक ही चीज पे बात करना चाहूंगा कि सबने बात करी है यहाँ पे लेबर से रिलेटेड इशू की, कि अगर जो बेसिक जो प्रॉब्लम आ रही है, साइट्स पे लेबर नहीं आ पा रही है, बेसिकली लेबर प्रोविजन नहीं हो पा रहा है, तो मैं इसके लिए मैंने अभी ये सोचा है मैम कि मैं एक मैन पावर सप्लाई फर्म स्टार्ट करने वाला हूँ थोड़े टाइम में, एंड आई एम डूइंग वर्क ऑन इट. कि राजस्थान से काफी ऐसी लेबर है जो अदर स्टेट्स में वर्क कर रही है, लाइक फतेहपुर, सीकर, बहुत सारी लेबर ऐसी है जो पुणे, महाराष्ट्र, बेंगलोर के अंदर काम कर रही है, और जयपुर के अंदर अभी लेबर का काफी ज्यादा इशू है. तो अभी मैम मैं करीबन 15 से 20 ऐसे लोगों से मिला हूँ जो पुणे, महाराष्ट्र से आए हैं. तो जयपुर के अंदर जो मैम लेबर की जो प्रॉब्लम आ रही है वो इसलिए आ रही है क्योंकि यहाँ की जो लोकल लेबर है वो है आउट ऑफ राजस्थान, और जो हम लोग जिन पे डिपेंड है वो है यूपी, बिहार, यहाँ के लेबर पे.
तो बहुत सही बोला तुमने, बड़ा पैराडॉक्स है. यहाँ के लोग तो बाहर काम करने लग रहे हैं, बाहर के लोग यहाँ काम कर रहे हैं, और अब यहाँ के लोग जब यहाँ काम नहीं करने लग जाएंगे तो उनको परिवार भी मिल जाएगा, घर भी मिल जाएगा, खुशहाली भी मिल जाएगी और काम भी मिल जाएगा.
तो मैम सबसे बड़ा इशू क्या रहा है कि जैसे मैं 7 दिन से मैं मेरी साइड पे जा रहा हूँ, अभी जो सबसे बड़ा इशू है फॉल सीलिंग का. तो फॉल सीलिंग की जो भी अच्छी लेबर है वो सारी है यूपी और बिहार की, वो लोग सारे अपने होम टाउन जा चुके हैं, यहाँ पे साइट सारी पेंडिंग पड़ी है. अब जैसे मैं कल सिक्कर जाके आया था, तो मैं वहाँ पे काफी लेबरों से मिला जो कोई दुबई से आया है, कोई महाराष्ट्र से आया है. तो उन लोगों से जब मैंने बात करी तो मैंने ये बोला कि अगर उसी रेट में आप लोग राजस्थान में काम करते हो तो आप अपने स्टेट के अंदर हो, एंड यू हैव लॉट ऑफ द अपॉर्चुनिटीज फॉर योर वर्क, और यू कैन इंक्रीज योर वर्क हियर. तो बेसिकली मैम अब मैं उन लोगों की एक लिस्ट बना रहा हूँ, और इस लॉकडाउन के अंदर मैं ये चाहता हूँ कि मैं करीबन 3 से 4 ऐसी एजेंसियां क्रिएट करूँ जो हमारे जयपुर और राजस्थान के इंटीरियर डिजाइनर और आर्किटेक्ट्स को वो लेबर सप्लाई में लेबर प्रोवाइड करवा सकूं मैम.
बहुत बढ़िया, एक्सीलेंट.
बात इस पे सबने करी है,
वेरी गुड,
कि लेबर नहीं है, लेकिन इसका मैम सॉल्यूशन निकालना पड़ेगा. क्योंकि अगर लेबर नहीं है, क्योंकि मैम क्लाइंट्स ऐसे, अभी मेरी 4 साइट से कंटिन्यू चल रही है, क्लाइंट्स नहीं समझते मैम. आज लेबर जा चुके बोलते कि हमने आपको पेमेंट दे दिया, हमें काम चाहिए. दे आर नॉट अंडरस्टैंड कि व्हाट सिचुएशन इज गोइंग ऑन. तो इसका मैम यही सॉल्यूशन है कि हम हमारी लोकल लेबर
किसी को भी अब प्रॉब्लम है वो आपसे कांटेक्ट करेंगे, है ना?
Yes, ma'am. मतलब 10 to 15 days. Give me only 10 to 15 days. I just create my own agency and then I provide all the members.
Oh, lovely. Bless you. Bless you. सब लोगों के काम हो जाएंगे. हाँ. Thank you. I think
Thank
it's
you,
very
ma'am.
entrepreneurial. Very entrepreneurial, and keep up the good thought.
And I share my page on the Instagram. It's Nama Interiors.
Okay, so
मैं
let's
tag भी करता रहता हूँ वहाँ पे पेज को.
अब शुभम, रौनक और ऋतिक फटाफट शेयर कर लो जल्दी. I want to hear all of you guys. I don't want to miss anybody.
Hi ma'am, I'm Ridhima. I'm from 2014 to 2018 batch pass out. 4-year interior designing. And right now I'm working in Ahmedabad, one of the well-known firm JSK Design Work. And also right now as we all know, there's a lockdown, so I'm back to home, but it doesn't stop me. Right now also I'm working on my skills to improve my skills, enhance my skills. But it doesn't mean कि लॉकडाउन है तो इसका ये मतलब नहीं कि मैंने अपनी सारी स्किल्स जो है उसको इम्प्रोवाइज करना छोड़ दिया या फिर उस पे काम करना छोड़ दिया. It doesn't mean. Yes, am I audible? Am I audible?
Yeah.
So in lockdown doesn't mean कि हम लोग को अपना जो भी स्किल्स है उस पे काम करना छोड़ दिया या उस पे जो हमारा फील्ड है उस पे काम करना छोड़ दिया. तो लॉकडाउन हमें घर पे बिठा सकता है, बट इट डजंट मीन कि वो हमसे हमारे स्किल्स छीन सकता है. तो लॉकडाउन है तो हम लोग प्रैक्टिशंस पे वर्क कर सकते हैं, हम लोग हमारे स्किल्स पे वर्क कर सकते हैं और कई सारे स्किल्स जिन्हें हम डेवलप कर सकते हैं, एनहांस भी कर सकते हैं. इट रियली हेल्प इन आवर फील्ड ओनली.
बहुत अच्छा रिद्धिमा, बहुत बढ़िया बोला तुमने. वेरी गुड, बहुत बढ़िया.
And especially thank to you, ma'am, कि आपकी वजह से मैं बोलना सीखी, because when I came to the college, I was one of the shyest girl in my batch, and you observe me that I am one of the person who used to talk in Hindi.
And now you are so fluent in English, huh?
Yes, all thanks to you, ma'am. Thank you so much.
Thank you, dear. Thank you so much. Thank you.
You're welcome. That's
Anji.
हेलो मैम.
हाँ जल्दी. हाँ जी, ये मेरा बैडमिंटन पार्टनर आया गया अभी, देखो जरा.
हेलो मैम, कैसे हैं आप?
इतना बैडमिंटन खेल के दुबला हो गया है.
मैम सब ध्यान है आपको?
सब ध्यान है, बोलो.
Hello guys, my name is Yash Sharma. I was in interior designing batch 2011-12, and after the college I have done couple of projects, some hotel and some restaurant, but by naturally in 2018 I have lost my mother, so in the memory I have established an NGO. The name is Mate Charitable Trust, and from the day one India is struggling due to global pandemic, so from the day one we are doing charity work regularly. And during the lockdown we have fed thousands of animals and around 4,000 individuals and 100 above families during the lockdown. And we are continuously working from last around 58 and 59 days. That's all what I want to say in short.
इसीलिए इतना दुबला हो गया है, मेहनत करके धूप में जा कर गया.
मैम आपको भी मैम सेंटर पार्क आना चाहिए. आप भी मैम बहुत मोटी हो रही है खा के.
मैं लोग आना शुरू हो गए क्या?
मैम सब सेंटर पार्क के तो बाहर मैम बार घूम रहे हैं.
अच्छा, मैं तो अपने घर की छत पे घूम रही हूँ, जो इन दोनों ने बनाई है ना, प्रवीण और इसने. प्रवीण आपके का मौका देती हूँ. प्रवीण और कायद ने बनाई है ना छत पे.
अच्छा. मैं आपके घर के पास भी आता रहता हूँ और डॉग्स को फीड करने मॉर्निंग में.
अच्छा, ओके.
तो कभी वहाँ पे आना होगा मॉर्निंग, अर्ली मॉर्निंग, तो आपसे मिलूंगा मैं.
बिल्कुल आना.
और हाँ, बाकी लेट्स सी, देखते हैं अपना कब मिलना होता है. और बाकी अभी काफी लोग हैं यहाँ पे आए, काफी स्टूडेंट हैं, और सबके लिए एक छोटा सा ज्ञान वाली बात कहना चाहूंगा. कह दूं?
बोलो.
दो पंक्तियां सुनाना चाहूंगा.
बोलो.
कि अपनी जमीन पर अपना आकाश पैदा करो. अपने कर्मों से नया इतिहास पैदा करो, कि अपनी जमीन पर अपना आकाश पैदा करो, अपने कर्मों से नया इतिहास पैदा करो। मांगने से मंजिल नहीं मिलती मेरे दोस्त, अपने हर कदम पर नया विश्वास पैदा करो। जय हिंद।
क्या बात, क्या बात है, बहुत बढ़िया, बहुत बढ़िया। और तुम तो देखो जी रहे हो, वो इतने लोगों की सेवा कर रहे हो, इंटीरियर छोड़ के तुमने एनजीओ शुरू किया, ये कोई छोटी मोटी बात नहीं है। गॉड ब्लेस यू यश।
मैम
हमारे लिए कोई भी काम हो बता देना कभी भी, ठीक है?
मैम सब ये सब मैंने देखा है कि सारी हर जो भी लाइफ में होता है, हर चीज अपने माँ बाप की ब्लेसिंग के बिना कुछ नहीं हो सकता मैम। अपन कितनी भी मार्केट का ज्ञान ले लें, कहीं से कुछ भी ज्ञान ले लें, मगर जो मदर फादर जो आपको शिक्षा देते हैं ना, वही मैम जीवन भर काम आता है।
ये बात तो सही बोली तुमने, बहुत सही बोली तुमने बात।
और मैं
बहुत सही
एक दो पंक्तियां और है, मगर मैं फिर लाइफ टाइम ज्यादा हो जाएगा।
चलो अभी जरा सा बोल दो, कोई नहीं, इतना तुम खुश हो रहे हो, देखो कि हम सबसे मिलकर गए तो बोलना चाहिए ना।
हाँ, एक छोटा जो जितने भी कर्म है, कर्म के ऊपर है थोड़ा जो अपन वर्क करते हैं, कि इंसान के मरने के बाद कि समाज शमशान तक, नहीं सॉरी, जैसे इंसान के मरने पत्नी मकान तक, समाज शमशान तक, पुत्र अग्निदान तक, और आपके कर्म भगवान तक।
क्या बात है, क्या बात है, क्या बात। थैंक यू, थैंक यू।
That's all, ma'am. And Jai Hind, and stay safe, stay home, and stay positive in this tough time. Love you guys. Love you, ma'am. Bye bye.
Lovely.
आप तुम्हें जानते हैं, but for everyone else, my name is Praveen, and I was a student of art in 2012 to 2014 batch, and मैं मुंबई में रहता हूँ and यहीं पे काम करता हूँ. So first of all, it's really great to see कि आप हमारे हुए बनाए हुए घर में रह रहे हैं. So it's a really proud moment कि आपने उसको अभी तक वैसे ही संजो के रखा है. It's really good to know, and I'm really proud of it. दूसरा, I would like to say कि मैं जहाँ पे काम करता हूँ, it was a startup firm from around 3 to 4 years back. So currently I am the head of design and technology at that place, and I also manage the marketing and advertising front of the company. So it's been a good journey, and आपने जो 3-4 महीने आपके घर पे जो भी कुछ सिखाया है, directly and indirectly, that has been a really good base for growing to such a level. जो patience and क्या कहते हैं उसको, वो लगन होनी चाहिए अंदर के भाई, डटे रहो चाहे कैसी भी सिचुएशन हो, आपकी डांट सुन के भी वो चीज को लगे रहे और कभी नहीं गॉन आउटसाइड. तो ये बहुत अच्छा रहा एक्चुअली एक्सपीरियंस आपके यहाँ पे. तो जस्ट एक अपॉर्चुनिटी लेना चाह रहा हूँ. मैंने फ्रीलांसिंग भी शुरू की है of my passion, that is 3D designing and animation. So I've just launched my website recently, which is called praveengaswa.in. I'll share that in the group, and उसमें मैंने walkthrough animation, virtual reality, and ये सब चीजें शुरू की है. So that is all, and rest is all your blessings with us.
Thank you, Praveen. Lovely. And you guys were really patient, yeah. मतलब I can imagine, you know. But then, thank you so much. Thank you. बिल्कुल हूबहू ऐसा का ऐसा कुछ भी नहीं बदला मैंने. ठीक है?
That is a feature, I think.
Next time आओगे तब देखना. हाँ. Okay, next somebody else, yeah.
Can I speak now?
Yes, yes, Rahul, please.
Hello, ma'am. How are you?
टाइम क्यों लगाया बोलने में, जल्दी बोलता है. राहुल बाकी है, शुभम बाकी है.
So yeah, ma'am. Rahul this side. I was in interior designing 3-year course, 2015 to 18 batch. I can't introduce myself as an interior designer because I'm not in interior designing field anymore. I'm in the fashion field right now. As you know that I work with the designers, like in the modeling. I did shoots for the college also, like the colloquia shoots. You can see me in those pictures. And I was noticing everybody saying that कि जो laborers होती हैं वो हमें बाहर से बुलानी पड़ती है. मैम वो डिफॉल्ट किसका है? डिफॉल्ट हमारा है, क्योंकि हम जब काम करने के लिए बाहर निकलते हैं तो हम चीप से चीप लेबर ढूंढने की कोशिश करते हैं. जो हमें सेम स्टेट में नहीं मिल पाती है. So who's the defaulter? हम ही हैं मैम.
वो तो बात सही है, वो तो हम लोगों की गलतियों का ही तो कोविड ने हमको जानबूझकर तो अंदर डाल दिया ना. तो अभी हम सब सही हो जाएंगे, चिंता ना कर. हम सबको, इंसान को सबक चाहिए होता है जिंदगी में, सबक सबको मिल रहा है दुनिया को. इस बार शनि सबके लगाए एक साथ. इस बार शनि ने ना चूज नहीं किया 1 2 4 ने गलती की, उसने कहा सारों ने करी है, एक साथ बैठो तुम.
Exactly, we are facing the same problem. Like I used to help my dad in our own firm. Like we have a firm in Rajasthan, construction firm, like Vijay Lakshmi Constructions and VRPLK Constructions, and we are doing projects nearby our college also, the Hyatt Hotel.
Acha.
Near the Apex. If you know about it.
अच्छा, मुझे नहीं पता.
मालवीय नगर इंडस्ट्रियल एरिया के अंदर ही.
क्या हयात बन रहा है वहाँ पे?
जी 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 जी. We are the only one who's constructing.
Oh, lovely. That's nice. बहुत अच्छा व्यू भी है वहाँ से झालाना का, and I think it's a great location.
Exactly, we are facing the same problem. We laborers की, everybody is from the Bihar actually.
तो तुमको मिल गया ना अभी हमारा हीरो एक, तुमको 2 महीने 15 दिन में कांटेक्ट कर लेना उससे, लेबर मिल जाएगी तुमको.
नहीं मैम, अब तो टिल दिवाली तक काम पोस्टपोन हो चुके हैं सारे के सारे.
देख लेना, मैं तो रास्ता बता रही हूँ. हम लोग शुभम से बात करते हैं तब तक फिर.
Thank you.
Hi ma'am. Hi everyone.
शुभम बोलो.
Shubham this side ma'am. Actually I am working at my father's firm, name as Govind Plywoods, and actually I renovated our Arts Academy canteen as well. I converted the canteen into our office, if you remember, in 2017, I guess.
What did you do?
Ma'am, I just converted your old canteen into the office, if you remember.
Acha?
Yes, ma'am. Ma'am, in 2017, in our college only.
हाँ, जो वो अपन ने ऑफिस स्पेस बना दिया है जिसको.
हाँ मैम, वो सारा material and furniture work was done from our side only, from Govind Plywood.
Okay. Oh, right. Acha. All the procurement and everything was done from your company.
Yes, ma'am. And ma'am, that time there was that's in our sales office. That time I've done that.
Yes, right. Thank you, Shubham. Thank you so much. Lovely.
Ma'am. And ma'am, from now, ma'am, my firm is there, named as Nakshatra Design Studio. And in Jaipur, I've completed 10 bar projects. 10 bar projects. I've done Triplers Club. I've done US 28. I've done At Life at Crystal Palm.
क्या बात है.
In residential projects, and right now we are making a departmental show at Garudaspur.
बहुत बढ़िया. I mean, I'm so impressed to hear all of you guys and what the way you are doing and shaping up your careers. So I really want to congratulate each one of you for being a part of this conversation today. I think we need to break up the groups now और करके हम आपका एक student interaction अच्छा सा करवाएंगे, so that our students get to learn from your experience, right? So guys, I think nobody is left out and everybody's gotten the opportunity.
Yes, ma'am. And right now I'm supplying the furnitures as well. I'm just making the furnitures and supplying to all the flats from those persons who are not able to pick up and make the furnitures in their house. So we are heading all the furnitures in our factory and we are supplying them all the customized furniture.
Very nice. Congratulations, guys. So thank you so much. मेरा एक chat है and मैं late हो चुकी हूँ उसमें. So I want Megha to close. Megha and Yashpal sir will do the closing of the call with you, and they will let you know a couple of more things that you can take up, which are free courses that you can take online on the Arts website or whatever. They'll let you know, and then we'll touch base again. So thank you so much. Thank you.
Okay, ma'am. Thank you so much.
God bless you guys. God bless you.
So it was so exciting to hear you all. So much is going and everybody's doing such a great projects, right? Wow. So even we planned that we can do year-wise alumni meets going forward. Like say if you are from 2013 batch, so we would have only 2013 enrolled students. So people who are your friends in other departments, fashion, jewelry, graphics. So you can come together. We can have a chit chat session sometime in going forward. So that is also on the cards. And as ma'am mentioned that we have developed 6 value packs, 6 courses. So ideally they are like, you know, online paid courses, but we have just taken this opportunity, like if our alumni, if you are interested in doing these 6 courses, we can give you them free. They are online programs. The courses are like creative photography, creative calligraphy, design elements, idea generation, and there are 2 more courses. So you can take up these courses if you are interested. We can share all these details with you online. Design thinking is also one of the module. So आप लोग अगर interested हैं, so you can drop us a message. We would be sending you a Google feedback form after this. So you can choose a course in there and then we can connect back with you for the same. We can do that. बाकी भी अगर आपको लगता है कि और कुछ भी है जो आज आपको support कर सकता है in terms of a course, in terms of skill upgradation, you know, any kind of mentoring, any projects if you are looking forward, if we have some projects, we can pass it on to you. So please fill that feedback form. Let us know what are you looking at. Then we can develop all these things for you accordingly. Yeah. Right.
Yes.
Okay. Sir, आप कुछ ऐड करना चाहते हैं?
हाँ, मैं बस इतना सा ऐड करूंगा कि आप लोग इतना अच्छा वर्क कर रहे हैं, सब अपने 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 फील्ड में। तो अपना जो बेस्ट वर्क है, जो आपको लगता है कि या मेरा ये अचीवमेंट है, तो उस अचीवमेंट को हमारे साथ में शेयर कीजिए और हम उसको आपको सोशल मीडिया पे उसको प्रमोट करेंगे, क्योंकि हमारे स्टूडेंट इतना अच्छा वर्क कर रहे हैं और हमको ही नहीं मालूम। तो ये बहुत बड़ी बात है हमारे लिए। तो बड़ी बात का मतलब गलत बात है। ठीक है, तो कम से कम हमको ये गर्व करने का मौका दीजिए। तो जो भी आप, जैसे भी अरविंद ने बताया और दीपिका ने अपने अवार्ड्स के बारे में बताया, तो ऐसे जो भी अचीवमेंट हैं, तो जो आप अचीव कर रहे हो, तो वो आप हमें शेयर कीजिए, तो हम उसको वहाँ शेयर करेंगे। मैं बस इतना ही कहूँगा, बाकी तो अभी सब टाइम काफी हो चुका है। कोई अपनी तरफ से जो बच गया है, कुछ शेयर करना चाहता है, तो वो प्लीज शेयर कर सकता है अभी।
I think everybody has been covered.
हाँ, ओके।
क्रॉस प्रमोशन जो सर बोल रहे थे, तो उसमें वही होता है। देखिए, आज जब आप हमें शेयर करोगे, we would post it, we would tag you, and that is how it is being cross promotions. So आपको आज के नेटवर्क का फायदा मिलेगा। So we can do that for each one of you. आप अपना work profile share कर लो. I think you all are on the group, so we can do that. Let's do that. And even if you have any admission referrals, you know, अगर आप किसी को admission, now you know we have a 4-year BDAS, we have a master's degree MBOC, and we have a 3 years BVOC, and there's an international study program which is by the name of BA. So if you want to refer any students, please do that. You can contact me or Yashpal sir, and there is an admission referral also on Radium, which we would pass it to our alumni. आप अगर कोई admission refer करते हो, तो even your reference can get a scholarship or a discount, or you can get the honorarium. So that is also a possibility. So we can touch base for the same also.
बिल्कुल बिल्कुल। और अभी हमने अपना एक एलुमनाई पोर्टल परचेज किया है, तो वो एलुमनाई पोर्टल पर भी जैसे आपके ईमेल आईडी हमें मिले हैं, क्योंकि अभी हमारे साथ में ये चैलेंज आ रहा था कि कईयों के ईमेल आईडी बहुत पुराने थे जब आपने कोर्स किया था। और जो अभी आपने गूगल फॉर्म के अंदर जो ईमेल आईडी डाला है, दिया है हमको, उस ईमेल आईडी को ही हम एज ए लॉगिन आईडी बनाकर आपको मेल करेंगे। बस आपको पासवर्ड है, वहाँ पे फॉरगेट पासवर्ड में जाके पासवर्ड चेंज करना होगा, बस केवल इतना सा। तो वो एलुमनाई पोर्टल में क्या है, डेटा बहुत इजीली कलेक्ट हो जाता है और उसमें बहुत फैसिलिटी है। आप एक दूसरे से इंटरेक्ट कर सकते हो, अपनी फोटो शेयर कर सकते हो, बहुत फैसिलिटी है। तो उसका भी वीडियो मैं आपको शेयर कर दूंगा। वैसे तो आप उसको जब खोल के देखोगे पोर्टल को, तो अपने आप मालूम पड़ जाएगा, अच्छा मैं इसमें ये भी कर सकता हूँ, मैं ये भी कर सकता हूँ, मैं ये भी कर सकता हूँ। ठीक है, तो वो अभी नेक्स्ट स्टेप आपको मेल पे मिल जाएगा। तो ये मेरी तरफ से थोड़ा आपको ऐड किया है मैंने, तो ये है।
But I'm sure आप सब लोग connected रहना चाहते हैं, right? मतलब that is why we all are here.
यस 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 यस। अच्छा लगता है, बहुत टाइम हो जाता है भाई, फेस नहीं देख पाते, नेचुरल सी बात है, सभी अपने उसमें बिजी हैं, तो इस बहाने से मिलना हो जाता है। काफी अच्छा लगा, कभी कईयों के फेस ऐसे देखे कि जब बहुत टाइम हो गया, काफी टाइम बाद में देखा। ठीक है ना। तो अच्छा है, ऐसे टाइम टू टाइम अपन मिलते रहेंगे। अब अपने पास ये एक सबसे अच्छा मीडियम आ गया है गूगल मीट, जिसको वैसे नहीं निकल सकता बाहर, तो कम से कम गूगल मीट पर तो आप मिल ही सकते हैं अपन लोग घर बैठे, राइट?
Right. So thank you so much everyone for taking this time out, joining us, interacting with us. It was lovely seeing you all, like, after so many years. It was lovely.
Thank you so much all of you. Thank you so much, Sheetal.
अरे हाँ बिल्कुल शीतल मैम। यस यस यस,
Thank you so much for coming. Thank you.
शीतल मैम ने बहुत कोऑपरेट किया है आप लोगों को ऐड करने के लिए। मतलब ये मानो कि 2-3 दिन रात एक कर दिया हम लोगों ने। मैंने कहा यार सबको बुलाना है, देखना ही है इस बार तो सबके चेहरे, बहुत टाइम हो गया। थैंक यू शीतल मैम।
Thank you, Yashpal sir. Thank you all of you.
Thank you, ma'am. Thank you, sir.
Thank you, ma'am. Thank you, sir. Miss you,
Okay,
ma'am,
dear.
and miss you, sir.
Thank you, ma'am.
Okay dear, bye.
Bye.
Thank you.
Bye, sir.
Bye.
Bye.
Bye bye.